I'm David Fabian, and this is Eric Poole, and we're with Guns and Ammo. We're here to talk about carbine-mounted lights.
Hey, David, what is a pistol good for?
Only good for fighting your way to a long gun.
Dang it, you took my line, man. Well, hey, we're here to talk about the Streamlight TLR RM1 and TLR RM2.
These are very cool lights. They come as a package, and you can configure them exactly how you want to put them on your gun.
Well, let's first break down the name. The TLR indicates that it's built on the same tough aluminum body of the TLR light series. And then the RM indicates that it's rail mounted, and then the number 1 or number 2 indicates how many CR123A batteries power it.
Now this is a RM1 mounted on a Kel-Tec Sub 2000, and it features 500 lumens. It's an hour-and-a-half runtime, and it runs on one CR123A battery.
And on this AR, I've got an RM2 mounted at the 6 o'clock position, and it also runs for an hour and a half, but it does it at 1,000 lumens.
1,000 lumens is a lot. This light will reach 200 meters, and this light, the RM1, will still reach 140 meters. That's a long ways.
It's impressive. But perhaps some of our favorite features are going to be the pressure switch activation. Very intuitive. Why don't you start telling us a little bit about the RM1?
So this is, again, it's very simple. I set it up because I wanted simplicity. All I do is touch that, keep it on, touch it, keep it off. If I hold it down, it just stays on for as long as I want it.
No wires or cables to worry about snagging
Nothing.
on. However, for me, I have a pressure switch plugged into the back of the RM2. And what that allows me is to position this switch anywhere along this rail I want. For me, since I have an overhand grip, I want it at the 12 o'clock position. Now with that, I can press either switch easily one time, on, off, or I can hold it and it instantly knows that I want a momentary on and off switch.
Okay. Yeah, the cool thing about these lights is you can pick them up for $255 for the RM1 and $270 for the RM2. And in the coming months, Streamlight's offering these with a red laser built into them.
I can't wait.